Hello and welcome to our new video about Zapier integration. We're pretty excited to launch integration with Zapier because it's so easy, it makes you happier. So we're going to dive right in. Things we're going to cover today are integrating your account with Voiceflow. It's currently in beta, and we're going to be doing a test email. Now, if you don't have a Zapier account already, please create one. Head to this link. We're also going to be covering the apps, so it's a great website to have. Alright, now if you haven't used Zapier before, please pause this screen, read through it. If you have, great. Let's head on over to our creator dashboard, and now we're going to jump right into the integration. So I want to skip over the trigger and the message portions just for now. Go to setup, and I want you to copy that API key to your clipboard using that button, and hit here. Hopefully you're already logged in, if not log in, and then you can accept the invite to build a Zap. So to create a Zap, you're going to head right to the top of the screen and click Make a Zap. But really quickly, I want to talk about the different types of apps that you can integrate with Zapier. So remember at the beginning, I gave you that zapier.com/apps website. Head on over, play around with it. There's really endless opportunities. But for now, Voiceflow. So please search Voiceflow for the Trigger app, and this is where you're going to connect your account. When you hit connect, that API key we just copied, we're going to paste it and hit continue. So easy, right? Now that we've connected our account, we're going to be able to build our trigger. If you're not familiar with what a trigger is, there's 2 steps to a Zap. Step number 1 is the trigger. Voiceflow is being triggered in this case. Step 2 is essentially what is happening when something's triggered. So for the sake of this video, we are going to be sending a test email. So number 1, we need to name our trigger. Remember, this is just merely the name of the trigger. We're calling it test email for the video, but it doesn't have to be an email that you're triggering. Step 2 is the message. This is the message that you're sending to Zapier. You can even integrate variables, which is really cool. Remember, this is not what the customer is seeing for the email. We're going to do that right now. We're back in Zapier, and we're going to select test email, and then it is integrated. On the left-hand side, you'll see step number 2, action. In this case, it's an email, and this is what we're going to be sending to the customer. I've already filled out a little bit of information just for the sake of time, and you can do a test right from here. Now, we'll head back over to Creator. I've kind of updated the skill a little bit just so we can get some users' consent. So they say yes, then it goes into the Zapier integration. Again, this is what we're sending to Zapier so we can see this on the back end. The user gets a confirmation that the email was sent. If they say no, it just exits the skill. Alright, so let's test our skill. We're going to say yes, you can send us an email. And now I'm going to pop over to my Gmail account where you're going to see that we just received an email, which is awesome. It goes really, really quickly. Now remember, it doesn't always work this quickly. It can take up to 15 minutes sometimes. When we pop back over to our Zapier website and we go to data out, we can see that's what we've received from Voiceflow, which is what we typed in. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know.